Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair your Shokz OpenRun Pro with your Android device. So first you have to find this button, click and hold it, and take a look for this indicator. It will turn off, turns to the red, so it means that they are turned off. Next, just click on it one more time and wait until it starts blinking blue and red, so it means that we will be in the pairing mode. There we go. Right now you just have to go to the settings. You have to go for the connected devices, click to pair new device. From available devices list, you have to select your headphones. And there's some kind of the issue with my phone because there's no any other devices near me, but definitely there's a lot of devices around me. Okay, right now they are popping on the list. And there we are, so let's select OpenRun Pro by Shokz. Accept the pairing. Next, you have to go to the Play Store, click on this switcher, and we have to get this application that it's called Shokz. That's the application that we have to download. And right now we can open. Let's accept the permissions. And as you can see, we are successfully connected. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.